Today we are on our way to Lucky Bay.
Lucky Bay, yep.
We left Hopetown early this morning, got on the road by about 7:30 and filled up with water. There's a dump point in town there. Esperance is busy.
It's really packed.
There is people everywhere, which Lucky Bay is probably going to be the same. But today is not that flash.
Yeah.
It's 21 degrees, cloudy.
As
Not
you
as windy
see,
as the last few days. So
we're all in
great.
jumpers. Oh, long sleeve shirts.
Yeah, long sleeve shirts.
Oh, except Matt.
The other thing, water in Esperance. There's one fill-up point for drinking water in Esperance, and it's at the information centre. Now it's not
easy to get
it's
into.
not friendly for big rigs. So
You do have to back in, and the parking is very, very, very limited and quite tight in that area as well.
Yeah, just be mindful of that when you're going. If you do have the opportunity to swing past and scope it out before you take your van in there, then we recommend that.
Yeah. As you head out to the national park, as far as dump points and water goes concerned,
There's nothing.
So make sure you do that before you head out.
Oh, we'll see you at Lucky Bay. Wow.
Look at that. Holy shit.
Can't say shit.
Holy mother. I'm singing Holy Mother of Moses.
So we've just pulled into Lucky Bay, of Bay 13. Nice and big, protected by the south westerlies, and looking at that, great spot. Now, there's heaps of empty spots here, even though the campground's full, so expecting a heap of people to roll in today or tonight. But we'll set up here, absolutely in love with it so far. Hopefully, fingers crossed, we can try and snag an extra night or so here. What do you reckon, Carly?
Amazing.
Love it?
I reckon there might be some whales out there. Definitely sharks.
Definitely some sharks. Alright, I'll go with beer. You want to start setting up?
Yeah, no worries.
One thing to be mindful of, guys, when you're staying out here this time of year is snakes. I don't know if you can see them just there in the rocks. So don't leave your shit laying around. So we've just set up, had a bit of lunch, got some beers, and now we're going down to this stunning beach.
Something's in the air, I can feel it everywhere. Every color seems to bloom, and there's light in every room. Now that you're looking up, I can see it in your eyes that lately it's been tough. But now the sun is rising, and we're new people. Let's be new people. There's summer. Don't let me down, down, down. Don't let me down, down, down. I wanna be up, 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 so high. 'Cause I've been down, down, down. I've been down, so down, and now I'm done. I'm aiming for the sky. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. I'm aiming for the sky. Everyone got stories, so let's start listening. Let the rain wash away the tears that keeps crippling. Now that you're looking up, I can see it in your eyes that lately it's been tough. But now the sun is rising, and we're new people.
Poor Hudson. Forced to go swimming. Go, Lace. Go push Dad. Don't throw sand.
There's summer. Don't let me down, down, down. Don't let me down, down, down. I wanna be up, 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 so high. 'Cause I've been down, down, down. I've been down, so down, and now I'm dying. I'm aiming for the sky. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Aiming for the sky. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. I'm aiming for the sky. Now they're looking up. I can see it in your eyes that lately it's been tough. But now the sun is rising. And we're new people. Let's be new people. There's summer.
This morning we've come out to
Remember up?
Membernup Beach. Bit of a trek from Lucky Bay. It's about 20 something k's on the bitumen. Then it turns to gravel,
About another 20 odd.
another 20 odd k's. The last probably 5 k's, the limestone track into
Pretty
the beach.
gnarly.
Yeah, well, it's not bad, but be wary, don't don't come in hot and hit it at 90 k's.
Yeah, there's a heap of sandy potholes in the limestone track that they've obviously tried to fix. A little bit of a river crossing. It's a bit muddy and a bit soft.
You can definitely get the off-road vans out here, no worries.
Yeah, yeah.
Just take it easy.
Yeah, it'll take you a bit longer.
Get down the beach and see how it looks. Not too shabby. We've just done a full drive track southwest of Membernup Beach, heading back towards Wharton's.
Just the next bay across from the Duke of Orleans Bay.
Still got a little bush track through, and it wasn't too bad, no scratches through. Got a bit boggy there at the end. Haven't let our tyres down as we're in Esperance. You don't really need to, but just coming over the sand dune, there was a bit of a washout from previous cars going through there, so had to use the treads for the first time, bit of crawl control action.
So we've just driven on the beach from Membernup West and discovered you cannot access the Duke of Orleans Beach from this side. The Daly River runs straight through out into the ocean. You could cross it if there was a couple of yous ready to pull someone out on the other side, but being solo and already, we're just going to say temporarily stuck this morning. Yeah, so we're just going to take the four-wheel drive track straight off the beach and go the long way and see how we end up. Just take it easy on that back tyre. Keep coming. Yep. Whoops. Sorry, not sorry. I just fixed my thong, so I don't want to bust it again.
That was the fun full drive track that's marked on Wikicamps. And in the comments it says
not for the faint-hearted.
And be prepared for some pinstripes. We got some pinstripes. So Carly's already offered to shout me a cut and polish a bus when we get home. So, but a bit of good fun. Lacey was freaking out, but all good fun.
It's
Scary.
Well, the subscribers just went through the roof. You gonna go in?
thinking about it. A bit cold. This thing's actually quite cold.
I'd say run and jump, but I think you have to run out a fair way. Why are you going for a swim, Huddy? Why? Just too bloody cold. And Lacey's done. Yeah, she's done.
Try to feel which way to go and what is real. I wouldn't fall into my doubts anymore. Living on the last hope, darling, hold on. Living on the last breath, don't you lose the grip. We're living on the last hope, darling, hold on.
Warden Beach, what a cool place. The sand is amazing. Get right on the beach with the car. It's great for the kids because up close it's quite shallow for, I don't know, maybe 20 meters, and then it gets a bit deeper and there's a few waves.
Waves? Lacey, you got a good wave, didn't you?
Yeah,
You got ducked.
yeah, when a big wave come, I got trapped underwater.
Yeah. So there's a few waves, so if you got a surfboard or kids learning to surf, perfect spot.
Yeah, that's really good.
Very busy.
It is very busy.
Yeah, I suppose it is this time of year, but there's one end of the beach which is all protected to the east, I guess.
Yeah.
Very busy and packed out. They're awning to awning down there, really.
Yeah, it's like a car park. I'd say most of them come straight from the Duke of Orleans Caravan Park, so they'd get down there nice and early. If you're coming from the National Park, you'd have to leave early to be able to get on the beach and get a prime position out of the wind. But in saying that, it wasn't windy at all when we were down there. Beautiful.
Now we're gonna head all the way back to Esperance because I want to wash the car.
Yeah. We had a quick look when we were down the beach. There's a few memory lines which will have a story to tell, and yeah, there's a fair bit of mud, and being that it was the inlet,
It's quite salty, so
it's quite salty, so
you gotta wash it off.
yeah, get rid of it pretty quickly.
I might buy an ice cream. The kids can sit back and watch me enjoy that. Should be great.
Yeah, we'll enjoy an ice cream and the kids can sit in the back and complain about it.
Warden Beach.
Just another quick note, we are travelling with an extra child. He is here, he's just being quiet. He's the good one.
Hey.